Hello, everyone. So this is another AMC 8 2023 problems. Okay, so two integers are inserted into this list and to double the range. Okay, and the mode and the median will not change. What is the maximum possible sum of the two additional numbers? Okay, so the mode is the number that repeats most. So in this case, we have that's 3. So right now our mode is 3. And the median number in the middle, when you list from the smallest to largest, in this case, it's 8. Okay, so let me write this. Okay, so these are given, and then we are told when you insert two numbers, these two numbers will not change. So you have 5 numbers right now. So when you add 2 more, you will get 7. So let's actually list those 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And let's say this is 7. Since my middle number will not change, so this guy will be 8. And then my mode will not be changed. So which means we are gonna either add like we cannot add two same numbers. So let's say if you add two same numbers, we have 2 3s and those two like same numbers, which will make our mode two different values, which is gonna change, which is why and the numbers that we are gonna add will be different. So then I will say to make a maximum possible sum, I'll try to get these smaller number as small as possible in my all like 7 numbers when I add those to an additional number. So let's say this is 3 and this is 3. So and then we have 11 and 28. This is 8, so which means 11 should be one of those 3 and 28 should be one of those 3 as well, because 8 has to be median anyway. And we want to make sure that we want to have one more like one number on this one of those 3 numbers. So one of them, like 2 of them is 11 and 28. To make our like sum is maximum, I will choose this guy is 11, and this could be 28, and then this number should be my maximum number, which is I'm going to add it. Okay, so that is something. And then we have one more number that we are going to add right here, because if you add something larger than 8, okay, if both numbers are larger than 8, that means this number cannot be median anymore. So that means the number we are going to add has to be this one and has to be this one as well. Okay, so since we do want to have a larger sum, so which is why I will actually say this number could be a maximum 7, because if I can have 8 right here, my middle number will be still 8, but we will have 2 8s, which is not possible for the same mode. Okay, so which is why we cannot have 8, so we just have to have a 7 at most. And we have actually given another information, right? It says when you insert those two numbers, the range will be double. So right now, the range was 28 minus 3, which is 25, before inserting any two additional numbers. If you double this number, that will be 50. So to get the 50 range, so this is 3, that means this guy has to be 53, and that is actually our largest possible number. So that looks like our sum of those two numbers we just added is 60. And then there's no way to get 61, so that is why this is going to be our largest number.